Students, let us learn income tax concepts in 1 minute. Today I am going to explain Adam Smith's 4 canons of taxation. This was introduced by Professor Adam Smith in 1776 to guide governments in creating fair, efficient and effective tax systems. The first 4 canons of taxation of Adam Smith. First one, canon of equity. Taxes should be based on taxpayers' ability to pay. Second is canon of certainty. Tax obligations must be clear, when to pay, where to pay, the time, etc. Third is canon of convenience. Taxes should be collected in a manner convenient to taxpayers. Say for example, tax deducted at source from the salary income or e-filing of returns. All this will come under canon of convenience. Fourth one is canon of economy. The cost of tax collection should be minimal compared to the revenue generated. Then only it will serve the purpose. Thank you. Happy learning.